When was the first passenger train ran in India? Answer 1853. Who was the first Mughal emperor of India? Answer Babur. Who was the first Indian to travel to space? Answer Rakesh Sharma. Who won the first Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Answer Devika Rani. Who was the first Indian woman to win a silver medal in the Olympics? Answer PV Sindhu for badminton. In which year Nota option was first used in Indian election? Answer 2013. Which movie won the first national award for best feature film? Answer Shyamchi Ai. Who was the first female IAS officer in India? Answer Anna Rajam Malhotra. Which was the first missile developed in India? Answer Prithvi. Who was the last Viceroy and first Governor General of independent India? Answer Lord Mountbatten. Who was the first recipient of the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna? Answer Vishwanath Anand for chess. In which year India won the Cricket World Cup for the first time? Answer 1983. Who is the first citizen of India? Answer President. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? Answer Sarojini Naidu. In which year India won the first gold medal in Olympics hockey? Answer 1928. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? Answer Kiran Bedi. Who was the first batsman to score a double century in one-day international cricket? Answer Sachin Tendulkar. Who was the first recipient of the Aadhaar card? Answer Ranjana Sonavane. Who was the first Indian woman to become a Supreme Court judge? Answer Fatima Bibi. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer Indira Gandhi. When was the PIN system first introduced in India? Answer 1972. Who was the first US president to visit India? Answer Dwight D. Eisenhower. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer Sukumar Sen. Who was the Law and Justice Minister of India? Answer B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament? Answer: Dadabhai Naoroji. When was the first telegraph line started in India? Answer: 1851. Who was the first Gupta king to issue silver coins? Answer: Chandragupta II. Who was the first Miss World from India? Answer: Rita Faria. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Answer: Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar. Who became the first person to get a pilot license in India? Answer: J.R.D. Tata. Who was awarded the first Paramveer Chakra? Answer: Major Somnath Sharma. Who was the first Indian to win the Man Booker Prize? Answer: Arundhati Roy. Who was the first Indian to win an Oscar award? Answer: Bhanu Ataiya. Who served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the first Miss Universe from India? Answer: Sushmita Sen. Where was the electronic voting machine first used in India? Answer: Kerala. Where was the first metro rail service introduced in India? Answer: Kolkata. When was the first general election held in independent India? Answer: 1951. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? Answer: C. Rajagopalachari. Which is the first Indian Institute of Technology? Answer: IIT Kharagpur. Who was the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at the Olympic Games? Answer: Abhinav Bindra for shooting. Who won the first edition of the Indian Premier League? Answer: Rajasthan Royals. Which was India's first mission to the moon? Answer: Chandrayaan-1. Jeevraj Narayan Mehta was the first Chief Minister of which state? Answer: Gujarat. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Answer: Lord Canning. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.